Hello everybody and welcome to Mr. Stansfield's education videos. You know, I wanted to share something that I saw this morning when I came into the classroom, and I recorded a little video, but unfortunately the audio wasn't good. So what I'll do here is just share it with you and give you a little voiceover here. So I came in this morning and I saw the light streaming in through the window against the wall, and it just occurred to me that this is a perfect example of what to look for when you're doing your light and shadow project. When you have direct or hard or specular light, those are three words that all kind of mean the same thing. It's going to create really strong defined shadows. The best light source, the best specular light source to get interesting hard-edged shadows is definitely the sun. When you have a sunny day, you get these really great results, and this is kind of what I was noticing and the thing that I wanted to point out to you. I'll also share some of the photos that I took after I recorded the video. I took a couple pictures around the classroom so you can kind of see the things that I noticed or the things that I thought of when I was taking pictures. So yeah, look for this kind of direct light when you're shooting your light and shadow project. And let me share these photos with you. Here we go. So here is one photo that I took. I noticed just to the camera right of where I was standing when I recorded the video there, I saw this like really interesting lines that were happening. Of course, these are in black and white, and also the contrast has been increased to really bring out the darkness in the shadow areas. Here's another one, a close-up of the chair, one of the chairs. It's really interesting light coming across and creating this shadow. And then, you know, three really simple photos. They're almost abstract. The subject, though, is the shadow itself. So the shadow becomes the subject more than the wall or the chair. It's all about the light and the shadow, and that's what you want to be looking for this kind of project. I will be posting another video on how to edit the photos in Photopea to get this really high contrast, to get these really dark shadows. If you're not able to shoot your photos in black and white, you can also convert to black and white using Photopea, so that'll be in the other video. I just wanted to share, though, again, this sort of nice natural sunlight that creates these really interesting pictures. So check that out. That's what you want to be looking for this project.